Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This next DIY I'm going to show you, it's this farmhouse sign that I got from Walmart. The original price was $4.88, but I only got it for $1. So I went ahead and I purchased it. I did not like the color. It was this color, but I decided to go ahead and paint it a little, give it a little rustic look. And what I have in mind, what I'm planning on doing with this, hopefully everything comes out fine and it ends up looking the way I picture it in my head. So let's see how it ends up. So for this next DIY I'm going to show you, basically you're going to need two of these jars. I purchased these at the Dollar Tree: scissors, glue gun, twine, ribbon, E6000, the bouquet. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really cute, so we'll see how this turns out. So I turned the sign around and I had cut out two pieces of twine the same size, and with the glue gun I glued it together, and I also put some E6000 so I could stick. Oh my god guys, so something terrible happened. This part I did record it, but apparently it did not get saved. It was so disappointing, but I don't have any more of these jars, but I'm going to show you what I did using as an example this one. That way so you guys can have an idea. Well, this one's a lot smaller than that jar, but this is all I have to show you what I did as an example, of course. Okay, so once again, I'm so sorry about what happened, but back to it. This is what I'm using as an example. So I went ahead and put some hot glue all over the top of the jar. Well, basically this is a bottle, but I used a jar the first time. So let's just imagine it's a jar. I went ahead and went around it several times. So then I went ahead and made a little loop with the same twine. Made sure to put enough hot glue. Okay, so once I was done putting hot glue on both sides, I cut it off, and with the remaining of the twine, I went ahead and covered all those empty spots, and also trying to make sure to cover the loop from the little loop, the both sides. I went ahead and went over it, so that way it will not come off of the arrangement, or it will fall, you know. I have kids at home and I do not want an accident happening since I'm going to hang it on the wall. So with the twine that I had hot glued to the back of the sign, I went ahead and started to make some knots with the little loop on the jar. I made several knots because, like I said, I don't want it to fall. So this is the finishing look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for watching.